Hello everyone and welcome to another interesting video from Dynamics 365 Essentials about the common and highly requested copy-paste functionality. A powerful feature of Dynamics 365 Business Central is the copy-paste functionality, which allows end users to copy one or more rows from Business Central to an Excel, Outlook email, Word document, or even the same or another Business Central list. Let's take an example and see how we can copy one row while entering a purchase journal. Let's go to Purchase Journal first and enter one purchase journal, including all the details, the vendor ID, the description for the invoice, the document amount, and then we need to pick the balance account. In this case, it's a travel expense. We can fill out the dimensions. In this case, it's a department. Okay, highlight the first row, copy, and paste. That's it. Now we can change the details of the second purchase journal by changing the amount or the description. Let's see how we can take this example further and copy-paste multiple rows at a time. Highlight the whole dataset and make sure that you have the exact same number of columns in Business Central. Copy the whole dataset and paste it here. Now the system will validate each and every field to make sure that the data is valid. In addition to the common copy-paste functionality that we all know, which is Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, you can still use a keyboard shortcut, which is F8, in order to copy the field in the same column of the same row above and paste it in the current row. Thank you for watching.